The debate over masks is heating up yet again. While some say it's okay to take them off, others are saying put them back on.
That is right. And different masking rules around the country have plenty of people scratching their heads and wondering what they need to do to stay safe.
Just as many people are shedding their masks, ready to get back to a normal summer, confusion over mask guidelines. With the Delta variant spreading, the World Health Organization now says everyone, even those who have been vaccinated, should wear a mask. Some cities are now mandating it too, even indoors in public areas. Dr. Stephen Threlkeld with Baptist Hospital says different agencies have different perspectives, depending on who they take care of, the amount of community transmission, and the amount of susceptibility to the virus.
It's not necessarily a totally different thought for the WHO to suggest that worldwide and on average, people should be taking more precautions because they aren't vaccinated.
But it was just last month that federal officials eased the mask restrictions, saying people no longer needed to mask up indoors. And people, weary of the mandates, gladly started tossing the mask. But was it too much too soon?
As to whether we pulled back too soon, I think the answer is probably not. Things were better, and things continue to be better for now, although there is an uptick, as we mentioned. We've certainly seen it in surrounding states. And all of those recommendations, requirements, have been based on what the community transmission rate is and what the real risk is to the citizens in this particular community.
The mask debate comes as restrictions on where to mask up continue to change. U.S. Senator Marsha Blackburn of Tennessee is behind a new push to take unmasking even further, with a call to end the requirement for masks on airplanes and public transportation.
If you are tired of having to put on a mask to walk through the door of the airport, to get on a plane, and you want this to come to an end, I agree with you. And people that are fully vaccinated ought not to have to wear the mask. CDC, get your act together. Review these standards. End the mask mandate.
Dr. Threlkeld also spoke on the fact that we have had no deaths in Shelby County in over a week, saying things are getting better. But he also says low vaccination rates in nearby Mississippi and Arkansas pose a risk, and patients from those areas will likely funnel to our healthcare system.